Cinderella. Episode 1.
Cinderella is a pretty girl. She's got blue eyes and blonde, curly hair. She's always happy. She likes singing and playing with her pet cat and the mice in the kitchen. She lives in a big house with her two sisters. Her sisters are very ugly. They've got big noses and big ugly feet. They don't like Cinderella, and she has to do all the work in the house. They throw their clothes on the floor. Pick up our clothes, they say. They shout at Cinderella. Clean the kitchen. Wash the clothes. Cook the dinner. One day Cinderella is in the kitchen. She's washing the plates. The sun is shining and Cinderella is happy. She's looking out of the window and singing with the birds. Blackie, her cat, is playing with his friends, the little mice. Goldie is Cinderella's goldfish. He's swimming in his bowl and listening to the birds singing. Cinderella. Cinderella. Say her sisters. Come here. Quickly. Cinderella runs upstairs into the living room. Here I am. She says. Look at this. We've got an invitation from the king. An invitation to the ball at the palace. An invitation to the ball, says Cinderella. That's wonderful. Yes, say the sisters. We can wear beautiful dresses and we can dance with Prince Charming. Can I come to the ball? Says Cinderella. You? Say the sisters. Come to the ball? No. You can't come to the ball. You haven't got a dress. On the day of the ball Cinderella is very busy. The ugly sisters want Cinderella to do everything. Cinderella. Come here and help me with my dress. Cinderella. Come here and help me with my hair.
Thank you for watching this video.